What's going on, guys? My name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know the situation is so bad, so the BTC is crashing and it's impact the SLP. So, so the main question came into mind like we have to sell it or we have to hold it. We're holding this token almost more than a weeks. We're holding this token at very high price. So at this point of time, if we didn't show any kind of patience, if somehow the price goes a little bit down, and if it falls around 3 cent, even 2 cent, even 1 cent, I don't care about it because I'm a holder. I'm not day trader, so I know the prices fluctuate like crazy. This is a crypto. Why we came here just because we love volatility, and we know that if it fluctuate that much right now, so we know that this is going to the rocket just like a fluctuation, just like down, and suddenly pump happened. It's already pumped from almost a 5 cent to almost a 9 cent. See the 40% pump in just in only in within a 4 hour time frame. So you have to understand these things. Selling your asset or selling your stock, it's just totally crazy. Why we buy it, bought it just for the selling? No, if it falls down, so we never gonna sell it. I'm not selling anything. I'm not gonna sell anything. I don't care about the market goes down, even more down. Worst things happen. I already see the worst. The price fall almost around of 13 cent to almost around of 5 cents. Just think about like I put almost a $10,000, even more. I covered a little bit, you know, my portfolio. But it's just playing a little bit, you know, buying at a low price and just try to average my entry. So yeah, sounds so weird, but I average my entry almost on 10 cent. Voice just trying to create a bad situation and worse things. I know that it's just not only they played by Wiz, they also played by Bitcoin rally, and look at the Bitcoin is still fluctuate right now. It's still going a little bit down, and I'm just hoping when it goes higher. I don't know like how long it take, but somehow I just predict the next month is good for the SLP. We hopefully almost a 2 month in a red candle price jump from almost around a 40 cent to almost 5 cent right now. Just think about like how worse scenario we see in SLP, and we believe this project right now because I see the roadmap and also the team working very hard in SLP. I'm not giving any financial advice like buy, sell, or hold it. No, I'm not saying like that because I'm just sharing my opinion. I'm not selling my token anymore because I know that once I sell it, so if it pump back, so I feel very upset somehow because we know that I see in the past time like I sold my old token just because the volatility, due to the volatility in the price on that coin. I think it's going crazy and suddenly pump happen almost 2 3x, even a 5x, even a 10x, and that was my big mistake. Then I learned it. I just thinking like if I take entry, so first of all grab the token at very low price, and as usual I did that in the SLP almost around 13 cent. Then and I think like I have to buy more when almost around a 5 cent. I think like almost a 6 cent. I just think like I have to buy more, I have to buy more SLP because it's lower right now, so I don't need, don't be I'm not a greedy. If I greedy, so I sell my old SLP. No, if I need to, if it reach the same level, so then I'm going to exit it. But I other thing is that the price prediction, I'm just sharing my opinion. The price prediction pump down from almost around 40 cent, and the 20 cent hits half, and 20 cent half almost 10 cent, and 10 cent half almost 5 cent. almost mega dump VC in SLP. I'm not filming this video just because I really need views or comments or some subscriber. No, I really don't want, because I post a random project as well in my channel. Why? Because I lose a huge chunk of money in SLP, almost a 3-4 week continuously losing a huge chunk of money. A little bit money we getting from the doing some kind of scalping, like buying and selling, just like that, covering a little bit losses. But still I'm in loss right now, a little bit. I'm not say that like you have to just buy or sell your token, you know understanding the situation. And also, no, I'm not say that like you have to do that. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinion. In this case, in this situation, I know that Bitcoin is crashing right now. Bitcoin goes almost around $35,000. Even I see a lot of TA and a lot of YouTuber, they are going crazy. They said that it's going even more down. So guys, just think about it. If these people think like that, so like how many people is following them? They just do one thing, just crashing the price a little bit down, and basically, it didn't impact the other. It didn't impact their portfolio. It impact the altcoin. So in this bad situation, we call ourselves a holders, and someone else like talk like that, hodlers. So we are hodlers. So we don't care about the price fluctuation. No, I really don't want to do any single mistake. If I sell it, then I face a lot of losses. If I didn't sell anything, I don't care about it. I know that this is volatile market. I'm not a newborn baby coming to this market and see this kind of volatility first time. No, I spent almost a 4 year in this crypto industry, and that's why I'm here and just sharing my opinion to you guys. So don't be hopeless. So and don't be overconfident. You have to just manage your mind and handle the situation. And a lot of people say that if we sell this token almost 10 cents, so we grab more. If you sell the token almost 10 cents and then it's almost on 5 cents, you just think about like I don't care about it if it goes to 2 cents, and then it's just like a confusion a lot. I know that a lot of confusion is going on, and that is a major problem. Like I really don't want to get some confusion from these up and down, and that I'm just trying to hold it, and that's the last option I have. If it fall down even more, so I just leave it. I just keep monitoring this token. I have another token for that. These scalping or trade. I mostly use FTX for these things. And if you don't have FTX account, link in the description. Earn together. So basically, this is going crazy. I know that situation is so bad, guys. I'm also, watching the SLP. 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. It just keeps fluctuating in this range right now. And I know that a lot of people say that, oh my god, it's going to the 9 cent right now. It again reached to the almost a 14 cent and then 15 cent. Yeah, that time also, feeling good. Suddenly these things happen. I know that taking correction. I'm holding my SLP in FTX. FTX is one of the best one. Binance know these things. Binance know that where is the price entry, and that is the reason why U.S. government and section just say that to the Binance. You have to face a lawsuit. Exactly happened. Europe and also the U.S. just giving a warning to the Binance. So I'm not criticizing the Binance holders, or I'm not saying that join other one or leaving the Binance. No, I'm not giving any suggestion. But I say that like if you guys just think about, if someone facing a lawsuit, like You guys just think about it. The lawsuit. I'm giving a reference. You get every single thing. Empty Gox. Just check out the Empty Gox. A big exchange in 2013 and 2014 again contain a big amount of volume in Bitcoin, and it's a big exchange, a number one exchange. And everyone say that this exchange live along forever. Guys, look at the empty Gox people, those who are losing a huge amount of Bitcoin. They are be in front of the empty Gox office, but still they didn't get anything. They're losing almost 150 Bitcoin and 160 Bitcoin and 25 Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin that time. And look at the price of Bitcoin right now. One Bitcoin equals to almost around $45,000, and they have almost $150, 150 Bitcoin that time. Just calculate how much money they lose it. So this is worse. So that's why I use FTX. Link in the description. Use the referral code on together. Thank you for